and soften into gray. Your shadow slipped away across my window pane. I still hear your laughter inside the rain. Every street we knew still feels like your name, and every quiet sunset brings it back again. If memories could hold my hand, I'd stay there with you. If time could give you back to me, I'd still choose you. You're the sunset in my eyes, a dream that never dies. Though you're far from me tonight, you still feel like morning light. I keep you in my soul, where the soft tears go. You were here, then you let go, but I still love you slow. I still love you slow. Maybe under another sky, you'll be happy, shining bright. Until then,